So, for my career exploration project, I chose the topic of aerospace engineer. So, what are some of the requirements for being an aerospace engineer? Some of the requirements of being an aerospace engineer is a bachelor's degree in aerospace engineering. Although this is the minimum required, you can always go for a master's degree as this can increase the likelihood of getting a greater job. What skills are needed to be a part and be an official aerospace engineer? The skills that are needed for the aerospace engineering industry are math skills, which may come in handy when facing design structures and formats, science to have problem solving methods, active learning because you will be able to solve future problems, critical thinking for most activities as an aerospace engineer, and reading comprehension, which is a basic tool that most people will need. These are some of the skills that are needed in the aerospace industry. So, what kind of salary can you expect? The salary that you can expect to earn as an aerospace engineer is an average of $118,000 a year. If you're a great achiever, though, you can expect around $170,000 yearly. What kind of promotions can you expect? An average aerospace engineer can be switched to a technical specialist or even an engineering manager. These spots are not too easy to acquire, though, as these promotions will require many years of aerospace engineering experience. The average engineer will not see any of these transitions due to high competition of these spots. These spots are also under high demand. What responsibilities does aerospace engineering bring? Aerospace engineering brings many critical responsibilities to those who are joining. First of all, an engineer must meet certain requirements for certain prototypes and designs. They must bear certain values as they have limited budgets for certain projects. Other responsibilities can bring much stress for those newly incoming to the industry, which may lead of newcomers. Overall, aerospace engineering can bring many concerns and responsibilities along with it. So, what's the demand like for aerospace engineers? Aerospace is under a high demand around the world. This high demand can lead to new aerospace engineers to acquire jobs quite quickly, as this is necessarily a great thing, as those who are entering and those who are thinking will have a quick job after thinking of having no job. Right now is currently one of the best times to have and make a decision of becoming an aerospace engineer. So, why did I choose this topic? Well, I chose this topic because I've always enjoyed most types of engineering. I find them all quite interesting. Aerospace engineering has a special place in my heart, though. I enjoy it because I find it the most interesting. I also chose this because most people would have gone the easy route and chose something that was much more common. I tried to go something that was quite uncommon, and this is why I chose the topic of aerospace engineer.